Hi everybody, we're going to be doing a sound test of my iPad 11th generation speakers. It has stereo speakers, so you can hear like left and right. It's like stereo. But yeah, here we go. I don't know why it's really stereo, it's not really stereo. It's two levels. Here's the sound. That's one.
Anything I touch always falls apart. I only remember so long. Everything right always felt so wrong. I done flew the coop and my wings all torn. Abuse me more than the pills I'm on. Words so short, they pierce through my heart, just like a knife. Quick flash of light, I feel trapped in ice. Cold and alone, I might cast the dice. Take a fucking chance, always the asking price. Sometimes it takes a lot to make a sacrifice.
It sounds better when I'm holding it. It sounds clear. It sounds like way clearer when I have it in my hand.
Life is dragging me behind. I'm standing in line, no the wagon I'm fine. Now I'm coming up a dragon, I'm blind. I'm deciding when I the other second I'm blind. Please, Lord, tell me where you are. I don't wanna be this afraid of the dark. Holding on to
doesn't
the
sound
liquor from the
that
start.
bad.
Anything I touch always
It's decent.
falls apart. I don't know.
It's surprising for iPad speakers.
I'm a break all of my bones. But the first I break, I'm a psycho. Never ending, new beginnings, stuck in the cycle.
Why don't we start? Yeah, that was a sound test. I mean, overall, it sounds decent. It's good for iPad speakers, really, because like the speakers are so thin. But yeah, they're not bad. So yeah, that's it for the sound test. Bye, y'all.